What you believe has more power than what you dream or wish or hope for. You become what you believe. We are all specifically gifted, lovingly positioned on this earth by our master creator. If you are going to be successful in creating the life of your dreams, you have to believe that you are capable of making it happen. You have to believe that you have the right stuff. You have to be able to pull it off. You have to believe in yourself, whether we call it as self esteem or self confidence or self assurance. It's deep seated belief that you have to have with what it takes, the ability, the inner resources, the talents, the skills to create your desired result. Believing in yourself is just a choice. It is an attitude you develop over time. Although it helps if you have positive and supportive parents. The fact is, most of us had run of the mills parents who eventually passed on to us the same limiting beliefs and negativity conditioning where they grew up with. But remember, past is past. There is no payoff for blaming them for your current level of self confidence. So it's our responsibility to take charge of our own self concept and your belief. You must choose to believe that you can do anything you when you set your mind to, anything at all, because in fact you can and you will be able to do. If you assume in favor of yourself and act as if it is possible, then you will do the things that is necessary to bring your best result. And if you believe it is impossible, you will not be able to do what is necessary and you will not be able to produce the result. It's becoming a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you are going to be successful, you have to just give up these phrases, I can't, and all of its cousins such as I wish I was able to. These words I can't actually disem for you. They make you weaker when you say them. Your brain is designed in a way that it will solve all the problem and reach any goal that you give it. The words you think, say actually affect your body as well. We see in toddlers. When you were a toddler, there were no stopping you. You thought you could climb up on anything. No barrier was too big for you to attempt or to overcome. But little by little, your sense of inevitability is conditioned out of you by the emotional, physical abuse that you receive from your family, friends, teachers, until you no longer believe you can. Surprise, surprise, most of the time nobody is thinking about you at all. They are too busy worrying about their own life, and if they are thinking about you at all, they are wondering what you are thinking about them. People think about themselves and not about you. Think about it. All the time you are wasting worrying about what other people could think about your ideas, your goal, your clothes, your air, and your home could be a better spend on thinking about and doing the things that will achieve your goals. And if having others believing in you and your dream was a requirement for success, most of us would not and never accomplish what we have. Quit worrying what other people think about you and just follow your heart.